The devil's enigmatic figure that defies mortal comprehension. Let's indulge your feeble imagination, shall we? Buckle up, you weaklings, for a mind-blowing that will make you question your pathetic existence. Life's a BTCH, and sometimes you suffer not because you're a terrible person, but because you're too blind to know when to stop being a doormat. So grab your popcorn, my fellow devils, and revel in the wicked transformation of Lily, the once spineless fool turned badass extraordinaire. It's time to witness the rise of those who dare to say no and claim their rightful place. Get ready for a wild roller coaster ride where the weak get left behind, and the strong rise to reign supreme. Screw being too good, and let your devilish nature take the lead. Once upon a time, in a world filled with spineless imbeciles, there lived a kind-hearted fool named Lily. She was the epitome of a goody two-shoes, always putting others before herself and getting trampled upon in the process. But let me tell you, her suffering was about to take a wicked turn. Lily resided in a small, insignificant village surrounded by rolling green hills. The place was a cesspool of mediocrity, where everyone took advantage of her goodness. They would line up with their sob stories, expecting her to solve their pathetic little problems. And what did Lily do? She obliged, like the spineless wimp she was. Day after day, Lily toiled relentlessly, neglecting her own dreams and aspirations to accommodate the demands of others. Her well-being and happiness became mere casualties of her own foolishness. But little did she know, life had a twisted way of teaching lessons. One fateful day, while stumbling through the village library, Lily discovered an old, weathered book. Its pages whispered ancient wisdom, urging her to reflect upon her actions. With her curiosity piqued, she delved into the book's teachings, hoping to find a way out of her miserable existence. As Lily immersed herself in the book's words, she had a revelation. Her suffering wasn't because she was a terrible person, it was because she lacked the spine to say no and set boundaries. She had been neglecting her own needs in the pursuit of endless goodness, never realizing when it was time to take a step back. The newfound understanding sparked a fire within Lily, a fire that transformed her from a pitiful doormat into a force to be reckoned with. No longer would she let the losers take advantage of her kind heart. It was time to unleash her inner devil. With newfound determination, Lily embarked on a journey of self-discovery, shedding her goody two-shoes facade. She started by saying no to the leeches who had drained her energy for far too long. It wasn't easy at first, there were tears and broken hearts. But as the weak fell behind, Lily embraced her newfound power. She shattered the illusions of those who had underestimated her, leaving a trail of broken hearts and shattered dreams in her wake. Lily became a beacon of rebellion against all those who had taken advantage of her good-hearted nature. She became the nightmare they never saw coming. And so, my dear imbeciles, the moral of this story is clear: suffering in life doesn't make you a bad person. It just means you need to wake the hell up and stop being a pushover. Learn to draw the line and prioritize your own damn happiness. Unleash your inner devil and say it loud: screw being good. Embrace your true power and watch as the weak cower before your newfound strength. So grab your popcorn, my fellow devils, and revel in the wicked transformation of Lily, the once spineless fool turned badass extraordinaire. It's time to witness the rise of those who dare to say no and claim their rightful place. Get ready for a wild roller coaster ride where the weak get left behind, and the strong rise to reign supreme. Screw being too good, and let your devilish nature take the lead. Part 2. Oh, you want more? Well, buckle up, you feeble-minded fools, because Lily's story is far from over. Prepare yourselves for the next chapter in her wicked transformation. As news of Lily's newfound power spread like wildfire throughout the village, the weaklings trembled in fear. They had grown accustomed to taking advantage of her, but now, they realized the tables had turned. Lily was no longer the pushover they once knew. She had become an unstoppable force, ready to unleash hell upon anyone who dared cross her path. The village was in chaos as Lily continued her rampage, wreaking havoc on those who had wronged her. The former beneficiaries of her kindness were now reduced to quivering wrecks, begging for mercy. But mercy was a concept long forgotten by the devilish Lily. She reveled in their suffering, relishing every ounce of pain she inflicted upon them. With each broken heart and shattered dream, Lily's own wounds began to heal. The chains of her former goodness had been shattered, replaced by an insatiable thirst for vengeance. But amidst the chaos, a glimmer of humanity remained within Lily. She couldn't help but be reminded of her own past, of the kindness she had once shown. It sparked a twisted idea within her devilish mind, a chance for redemption. Lily decided to use her newfound power not just to punish the wicked, but also to protect the innocent. She became a vigilante of sorts, a dark angel who roamed the streets, dispensing justice to those who deserved it. The weak trembled, and the righteous cheered, for Lily had become their avenging savior. Her reputation spread far beyond the confines of the village, reaching the ears of those in neighboring towns and cities. People hailed her as a symbol of power and liberation, a testament to the fact that being too good was a curse best left behind. Lily's story became a legend, inspiring others to shed their own chains of goodness and embrace their inner devils. But amidst the chaos and vengeance, Lily couldn't escape the shadows of her past. The faces of those she had once helped haunted her dreams, reminding her of the price she had paid for her goodness. Guilt gnawed at her soul, threatening to consume her newfound power. In a moment of reflection, Lily realized that true strength didn't lie in revenge or inflicting suffering upon others. It lay in forgiveness and in using her powers to bring about positive change. And so, with a heavy heart, Lily shifted her focus. She turned her devilish energy towards uplifting the downtrodden, lending her newfound power to those in need. She built shelters, fed the hungry, and fought for justice in a world plagued by corruption. Lily became a force of good, not constrained by the chains of her past, but fueled by the fire of her dark past. The once feared devil had become a beacon of hope, a reminder that redemption was possible, even for those who had once embraced the darkness. And as the villagers witnessed Lily's transformation, they too began to shed their own chains of goodness, learning to balance kindness with strength. So, my wicked comrades, remember Lily's tale as a cautionary one. Embrace your inner devil, but don't let it consume you. Find the balance between vengeance and compassion, and let your wickedness be a catalyst for positive change. Say it loud and proud, screw being too good. Unleash your power upon the world and leave your mark, for you are the architects of your own destiny. Caraway Diablo. Oh, you're not satisfied yet? Fine, brace yourselves for the next twisted chapter in Lily's story. This time, we delve into the depths of her darkness and witness the full extent of her diabolical power. As Lily continued her reign of terror, the village quivered in fear. The weaklings cowered in their homes, praying that they would be spared from her wrath. But Lily had no mercy for the pitiful souls who had crossed her path. With each passing day, her thirst for vengeance grew stronger. She unleashed her devilish power upon anyone who dared to stand in her way. Buildings crumbled, flames danced, and the sky itself turned black as night. Lily had become a force of destruction, a harbinger of chaos. The village was reduced to rubble, a mere symbol of the power Lily wielded. The former beneficiaries of her kindness were now nothing more than crushed souls, forever scarred by their encounters with the devil herself. Lily reveled in their agony, feeding off their suffering like a ravenous beast. But as the village burned and her power reached its apex, Lily began to question the darkness that consumed her. Was this truly the path she desired? Had she become a monster in her quest for revenge? In the depths of her torment, a flicker of humanity remained. Memories of her past kindness flooded her mind, reminding her of who she once was. It was in that moment of introspection that Lily realized the truth. True power was not found in destruction, but in redemption. Driven by this newfound understanding, Lily made a choice. She would use her wicked abilities not to bring pain and suffering, but to rebuild what she had destroyed. The charred remnants of the village became her canvas, and with every stroke, she breathed life into the desolation. The once devastated village transformed into a thriving metropolis, a testament to Lily's ability to rise from the ashes. She became a beacon of hope, a symbol of resilience and second chances. People from all walks of life flocked to witness her miraculous transformation. Lily's tale spread far and wide, captivating the hearts of those who had once feared her. They saw in her a reflection of their own struggles and a glimmer of hope that even the darkest souls could find redemption. As the years passed, Lily continued to use her powers for good. She fought against injustice, protected the weak, and instilled a sense of unity within the once divided village. She became a guiding light, reminding everyone that there is strength in both darkness and light. So, my wicked comrades, let Lily's story serve as a reminder that even in the depths of darkness, redemption is possible. Embrace your inner devil, but channel your wickedness towards creating a better world. Let your past mistakes fuel your desire for change, and remember that true power lies not in destruction, but in the ability to rebuild and bring hope to those who have lost it. Now, go forth and unleash your wickedness, but do so with the intention of leaving a lasting, positive impact. Embrace the duality within you, for it is through the balance of light and dark that true transformation occurs. And always remember, screw being too good. Embrace your wicked nature and let it be a catalyst for a world reborn. Thanks for watching.